Okay, let's just jump right in. We're going to unpack the future of the job market, looking at the roles that are about to boom and, yeah, those that are fading out. And all of this comes straight from the World Economic Forum's Future of Jobs Report 2025. So you know the information is solid. And that quote, wow, it really sets the stage, doesn't it? The speed of change we're seeing isn't just fast. It feels like someone hit the fast forward button on the future. I mean, stuff that sounded like sci-fi a couple years ago is becoming our day-to-day reality. 92 million. Just let that number sink in for a second. The World Economic Forum is saying that by 2025, 92 million jobs, as they exist today, could be gone. This isn't some far-off prediction. It's like a tidal wave that's already on its way. But here's the thing. For every job that gets displaced, new ones pop up. The real question is, where? And that's the key thing to remember here. This isn't about jobs just ending. It's a massive transformation, a huge reshuffling of the deck. As the old routine roles get automated, totally new and honestly more interesting jobs are being born. Our goal here is to figure out how to land on the right side of that shuffle. And the proof is literally on the streets. I mean, think about it. Just a few years back, if you talked about self-driving cars, people were skeptical. Now, go to San Francisco, they're everywhere. This isn't some distant future. It is happening right now. Okay, so that's the big question, right? With all this disruption, where are the real opportunities? Which doors are closing, and more importantly, which ones are flying wide open? Let's start mapping out these jobs of tomorrow, beginning with the single biggest driver of it all. You've probably heard the phrase, data is the new oil, right? Well, it's more true now than ever. Companies in every industry you can think of, finance, healthcare, you name it, are gathering insane amounts of information. But all that data is just noise without people who can make sense of it all. And that's where the big opportunity is. You've got your specialists who handle the giant data sets, your scientists who find the hidden patterns, and your analysts who turn those patterns into smart business moves. And just look at these numbers. We're not just talking about great six-figure salaries. We're talking explosive growth, anywhere from 30 to almost 50%. I absolutely love this analogy for data warehousing specialists. It's so true. They aren't just filing away information. It's like they're the master architects designing the blueprints for our entire digital world, making sure everything is built on a solid, smart foundation. Okay, so that builds right into our next big area. Because, it's one thing to understand the data, but we also need people to actually build, manage, and protect the digital systems we all depend on. These are the creators, the engineers, the defenders of this new world. And let me tell you, the demand for these builders is just blowing up. There's this common myth that AI is going to take all the tech jobs, but it's actually the complete opposite. The more AI we have, the more we need brilliant humans to build it, manage it, and push it forward. And I mean, seriously, look at that median salary for a software architect. Over $250,000. That's insane. And of course, inside this digital world, security is everything. Think of it like building a castle. The security management specialist, that's your general, the one who designs the entire defense strategy for the kingdom. Look at that growth, 53%. The analyst, they're the guards on the walls, on the front lines, watching for threats and patching holes. You absolutely need both to stay safe. Wow. Okay, this chart right here, this puts everything into perspective. By 2030, AI is going to be behind 86% of all workplace changes. 86%. And robotics will influence nearly 60%. These aren't just little trends. This is the whole game changing right before our eyes. Okay, but it's not all about code and data, right? There's this whole other side to the future of work that's just as important, creating some incredible opportunities. We're talking about the huge shift to a greener, more sustainable economy, and also jobs that are all about making technology more human. And what I love about this is just how different these future-proof jobs are. So on one side, you've got engineers literally working to solve some of the planet's biggest challenges. And on the other, you've got UX/UI designers making sure all this new tech doesn't drive us crazy, with a massive 48% growth rate. And I know what you're thinking, delivery drivers? Yes, you are seeing that right, a 46% projected growth. It all comes down to the e-commerce explosion. We're ordering more stuff than ever, and our desire to get it now is actually outpacing automation, especially when it comes to that crucial last mile to your front door. All right, so we've talked about the good news, the booming jobs. Now for the flip side.
For every job that's taking off, some are, well, busting. And it's really important to be clear-eyed about the fields that are shrinking the fastest.
Yeah, this chart tells a pretty stark story, doesn't it? The common thread here, roles that involve routine, repetitive, manual tasks. Postal clerks, bank clerks, cashiers, they're all being impacted by automation, online banking, self-checkout. The writing's kind of on the wall for these jobs in their current form.
But, and this is a really important but, it's not like these jobs are just vanishing into thin air. They're evolving. The routine parts of a bank clerk's job might get automated, sure, but that frees them up to become a financial advisor, a role that requires strategy and a human touch. It's a shift from manual work to creative work. So what do you do with all this information? Because knowing is only half the battle, right? The real question is how to act on it. So let's get into the practical stuff, how you can actually thrive through all of this, not just survive. It really comes down to 3 key things. 1, never ever stop learning. Make it a part of your life. 2, get comfortable with the new AI tools in your field. Don't fight them, master them. And 3, double down on the skills that make you human: creativity, strategic thinking, and genuine problem solving. I love this quote because it just nails the new reality. Basically, in today's world, standing still is the same as moving backward. To just keep up, let alone get ahead, you have to constantly be learning, constantly adapting. You just have to run faster. So let's end with this, because it's a really empowering way to look at it. This whole big shift, it's not something we should be afraid of. Think about it. It's freeing us up from the boring, repetitive stuff to do what human beings are actually great at: creating, innovating, and solving really interesting problems. The future belongs to the learners. So I'll just leave you with this one last thought. We know the world is changing faster than ever before. The only real question is, are you?